Hey guys, Everything Technology here, and I'm bringing you guys another budget video in case you missed the last budget episode about that one speaker I reviewed. That'll be linked down in the description if you're looking for budget Bluetooth speaker. That's what I talked about. This time we're going to be looking at some budget Bluetooth earphones from Symphonized. These are the Symphonized NRG S. I've actually done videos on Symphonized products in the past. A couple years back, I did a video on the Symphonized NRG 1.0s. I haven't done a video on the 2.0s. I should probably get those. And I also did a video on one of their over-ear headphones. I can't quite remember the name of it. But yeah, I've done videos on Symphonized products in the past. But this time we're going to be checking out their Bluetooth earphones. So let's see if it can match the sound quality of some of their wired earphones. So let's put this on so I could look cool. I think it's definitely like this. Yeah. Let's just start the video, okay? Begin with the design. This looks similar to the Symphonized NRG, but with addition of ear wings and angled ear tips for comfort. What I love about Symphonized is the fact that the majority of their products are handcrafted from natural wood for the best acoustics possible. In terms of comfort, as I mentioned, these earphones are angled to comfortably fit into your ear canal. The ear hooks are adjustable to ensure a nice fit for most ear sizes, so if you have big ears like me, you're going to be okay. A nice addition to these earphones is the inline remote, which features a microphone alongside a multifunctional volume control buttons. And they're pretty tactile and pretty clicky, and they just get the job done. Okay, so sound quality is great on these earphones. They have a similar sound signature to some of the other Symphonized NRG products that I reviewed in the past. The earphones produce a crisp, powerful sound with strong deep bass, which I'm sure most of you guys are going to enjoy. Battery life is pretty good here. Expect about 6 hours of playtime, but if you're going to be using these moderately, this could last you a couple days for sure, because I've had them for about a week now and I still have some battery life, but that's with very light usage on a daily basis. And yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Once again, Symphonized delivered in the audio department. That's the reason you're gonna be picking these up in the first place. These are some great budget Bluetooth earphones, and I definitely recommend them. The only thing that I would fix, and I highly recommend that Symphonized look into this, is the fact that you have the remote button, which allows you to control the music and stuff like that. But then you have this fat other little brick like on the wires, and it's just dumb. Like, I don't really understand why they put the battery in a different department than they put the remote controls. Like, I just think it's very unnecessary. Not that it's uncomfortable in any way, but the fact that they have two of these, it just looks weird and it doesn't look right. Don't do it again. Just up. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave me a thumbs up down below. Also comment down below if you have any feedback and if you have any questions. And yeah, all the links to purchase this product will be in the description as well. And other than that, I can't really think of anything else. Stay tuned. More content coming soon. I'm still trying to get into the flow of uploading at least once a week, maybe even twice a week. I did start classes, college classes, and I don't know if you guys care about that, but yeah, thanks for watching. Leave me a thumbs up because it makes me feel a little bit better about myself. And yeah, that's it for the video. Bye.